So generally before we starting, we generally question ourselves, who are you? So as I told, no, the first itself, we need to understand ourselves when we are going to any new activity or when we are part of any activity. To know about ourselves, what is exactly we know with respect to the technology. That is one thing. Once we know the technology, where our weaknesses in general, whether it is security or any domain or even as a person also, if you know very well about our weaknesses, we can avoid some threats towards that weaknesses. So because threat and weakness are related. When you are weak, then only there is a possibility of threat. Am I right? So that's what we need to understand ourselves. That is where my question is, who are you? So in general, when coming to that, we are all government officers. So we generally play, there are two roles that may be a dual role. That is what one is official role and the other one is family role, we can say that. So we have to act on both roles. So when we are in office and when we are in home, we need to take care of the things. There should be a thin line difference between them. So because we need to understand that these roles, and we need to take the problems of office to home, and similarly the office problems we cannot bring it. In the same way, uh, when we are looking about the security also, we need to look about the same way. क्या that's what, क्या हम दोनों को एक जैसे देख सकते हैं? नहीं नहीं है ना. Can we see both alike? So cybersecurity is also no exception. When we are taking the activities of office and the related cybersecurity, and the same thing that when we are looking about the activities at home, and we are also having the various devices like a mobile, iPads, laptops at home, where we also should have some kind of security. So both may be same or may not be same, but always we need to look about that, understand our activities, and again understand about our weaknesses, vulnerabilities. Based on that, we need to try to keep our security things on over to cover those vulnerabilities. So when you are making a role, you may be connecting through mobile. Office may be giving in a mobile, and similarly you are accessing in a computer, and maybe these computers are connected because when you are part of office, they're all connected to one device, like we generally call switch, and switch would be connecting to the router, and your mobile is also, when you connected that Wi-Fi router, that Wi-Fi router is again to connect the switch and router, then it will go to the internet. When you are playing a role at home, you may be having another mobile device, personal device, and you may be having the gaming devices with your children. You may be having your personal laptop, or you may be having TV. You have a more device, internet work now. The devices are connecting everywhere. Internet of things are coming in to find your washing machine, tomorrow your microwave controller, microwave oven. So all these things would come as part of your home, and all these are connected to your own Wi-Fi, and further Wi-Fi would be connected to the internet. See, all these things, when you are part of internet, if you know about these devices by yourself, like how you are identifying your weaknesses as a person and controlling them, and similarly if you are, whatever the devices which you are using, and understanding their vulnerabilities would be the great choice step for any kind of cybersecurity implementation. Even if it is not working for your office, it definitely working for your home also. See, some people know non-related technical things might have joined, but they have to take lead the teams. That is where they joined. Even if we don't know the technology, now try to understand this technology, because it definitely helps in your own to home side. Because if you look into the office side, there is only two devices: your mobile, your computer. Most of the things would be taken care by that respective system administrator, respective security administrator. Of course, if your team and you definitely, your help is required because they are all reporting to you. But when it is home, you are the everything, you are only. And if you look into the threat side, threats are majorly on individual nowadays rather than official. Because in official, they were implementing the variety of devices. After this firewall, they were employing the firewalls, intrusion detection systems, the security event and incident management devices, so that they were continuously monitoring with respect to their application and all. There is a separate teams are there. But the same thing when you are at home, you are also increasing next few years. These things are would be increasing definitely. TVs, your TV is part of already internet, because whatever you are using, what these like devices, Amazon, Netflix, all these things are based on the communication only. And your internet is part of internet and communicated from cloud only. It is downloading. And if tomorrow your washing machines, your microwave controls, your ACs are coming under intelligent, becoming intelligent and digital. So definitely you are the one member need to take care of all this security. And for threat perspective, if you are a key person in an organization and directly attacking through your organization devices is maybe difficult. So if I am trying to attack you on at your place at home, sometimes I also can access some of the files, because we discussed it already. We cannot, even though there is a thin line difference between this office activity and uh, uh, home personal activity, but still some of the files we will share. Those files would be gives some kind of information where that information could be a lot of things can be given of your organization, in more information about your organization, what I mean. So that is where we need to secure ourselves first, our home, and then definitely we need to support office with respect to security if we are not part of security. So finally, what I would like to say that security is in everybody's of home, either home or office, everybody's responsibility. So we should learn. We should learn and implement based on that what we required. So the two roles which we are playing, maybe when you're looking into the official role, so where you have to follow some directions of your authority. And or otherwise you yourself authority in your office, your small office as part of the minister, and based on the virtual position you hold in the organization, you need to follow. So all these things, who decides? The people decides based on the policy. Organization established based on some policy. Based on that policy, our roles are came, our activities are implemented. So we generally called this is all comes under organizational policy. When it is part of home, the personal authority, where you are part of family or your authority, or is instilled by those around your family members or your family. So where you may have to take lead or you have to follow somebody's lead. Am I right? So that's what you may be creating your own policy, family policy. It's a specifically we don't have any document, but definitely we all agree because family members are very less. So we all agree and discuss and we follow that. Am I right? So that is what specifically, even though there is no document, that is the family policy. So different roles when we are playing and different policies which we are following. When it is coming to the cyber suraksha, cyber security भी कोई अपवाद नहीं है, because so we have different policies required for different activities. Cyber policies are required. Now we will discuss about that. Because first device which we always use our Windows operating system, and maybe it's like we need to look about that this Windows operating system, how to secure them, how to harden them. Hardening is nothing but, so whatever the services which by default it is coming with Windows, all those services are not required by as per my role, my activity. I am getting Windows operating system by myself. and my colleague also getting the same Windows operating system with the same hardware, but roles are different. When roles are different, but systems are same, so all the services which I am getting may not be required to that particular another role. So you need to understand what is your role, what are these activities, and when you wanted to harden and secure your operating system or your PC, you need to understand your role, what exactly you require. The remaining things can be stopped. We should not feel like that. Why he is getting, why he is not getting, why I am not getting, such kind of things, because this is for our security itself. I am doing my job for only printing. I required only printing service only. I don't require any other service. Because I'm doing a critical activity, so when I enable a variety of services, but I only concentrate on more print service, whether it is working or not, printing working or not only. All remaining services are not required. When not required, why should we open it? Having all kind of facilities to me is always a good thing for me. But if I am not able to manage, and moreover not managing, if these services are giving my critical information to others who doesn't intend for them, so that is what more dangerous than anything. So that's what you need to understand your system. You need to harden that system. Before hardening the system, so what are those things are there, we need to look it about. So definitely we will see that what is exactly in the Windows operating system when it comes, and we look into that and we see this thing.